So this is the solar charging light. This thing, very effective, the quality is superb. It charges your phone. It uses solar. It can also it's also rechargeable. It's also used as a fan, electric fan, charging light, electric fan, Bluetooth audio. Super amazing. So it's also here. So that's it. Can you see it? Solar fan lamp, electric fan that is used as a compass, used as a Bluetooth audio, used as a fan switch, as a Bluetooth, everything. This is beautiful. Ooh. Wow. Can you see it? This is royal chafing dish. It's not this anyhow dish, chafing dish you see. We are my caterers. Come on, join this bar show and get it. It even have a golden stand. Can you see it? Top notch. We bring quality. Can you see it? Top notch. See packaging now. See packaging. See packaging. Can you see it very well? Wow, this is beautiful. Can you see it? So the reason why I'm doing this video, I cannot do video for all items, I just want to do few so you can see that we are 100% legit. And this and Geneseo C/Air pre-order group bulk group is a legit group. So you will see that Geneseo pre-order group is a legit group, 100% legit, no scam zone. Anything you pay for, you get, and we go for quality. You see that? So I'll not be showing everything because the load is much, and I'm even tired. So I'll just show some few. So if you want all these items, if you want any of them or anything at all, get ready to join our next sea shipping. It's affordable. The shipping fee is affordable. It's not expensive like air. So get ready to get your heavy kitchen utensils, your home accessories, everything at affordable price, and also pay shipping fee for it. Okay guys, let me look for something else. Wow. Can you see our non-stick pot is here? So you see, we are 100% legit. Can you see? I don't know if my video is making justice to it. Can you see that it's here? So get set for the next sea shipping badge. It's going to be so. See, this one has 20 centimeters, 24 centimeters, 28. This pot is heavy. So heavy, and the quality is top notch. See now, see the brand. Destiny Regina. We don't do anyhow brand. So it's super amazing. Can you see our 8,000 watts silver crest blender? See how big it is. This camera is not making justice to this thing. Very big. As in the carton is too big. The thing is an industrial blender. 8,000 watts. See quality. Packaging. Copper coil. Can you see it? 8,000 watts. So we are legit. Once we tell you 8,000 watts, we also deliver 8,000 watts. We will not tell you 8,000 watts and later deliver 4,000. No. So make sure you get ready to join the next sea shipping batch. See the cup. Oh my God! See, can you see how big this cup is? Very big. See the engine. I don't know. Wait, they're not able to see. Oh, this blender is superb. Copper coil. See this cookware set. Very fine. With frying pan, with kettle. Oh, people that got this last sea shipping. You will enjoy it though. This is quality. I brought quality. not bad. So join our next sea shipping badge. Look at packaging now. Just brought out one, so you see how it looks like. Can you see it? Well packaged. This is a 7-in-1 smartwatch. People did it for sea, and it's better. This smartwatch, if you use air shipping, the shipping fee is 5,000 naira upward. But you see, sea shipping, they pay that much. So better take, and you just